I'm just gonna throw it towards the middle.
That's the boys.
For like the same hour.
All right.
Did they let you use the smoke? That's what one of the rest told me, yeah.
It's crazy too.
It's in the middle. I'll throw it to the right more. Maybe I'll wait till we push up more and then use it.
Hey, I think you're on the wrong team. I think you should be on the right team.
Alright, you want to stay with us, okay? And if you see their uniforms, green, stay with them too. If you get separated from them. And stay to cover, right?
Where's Quang? Hey, Quang, you want to hit right or left?
Left is really easy to assault, but we need to get into the kill house, right?
Yeah, the problem is that bus. So if they get in the bus, they can beam us. So yeah, they kind of have to get push up really far in there.
I think you're gonna see the gun in action again.
I'm gonna go inside the trailer and snipe them, because I can.
Where's the trailer?
Yeah.
Where?
Trailer right there.
Oh, nice.
The high trailer?
Yeah. Inside the high trailer, it's really comfortable.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
It's
Oh my gosh, I thought that said oof for
We can push right because the right's their hard spot.
There you go.
I'm gonna hit the kill house like an idiot.
Alright guys, wristband check.
Huh?
See the wristband. You're good.
Oh.
Look. Did you get no, you're rental. Everybody held that. You're rental as well. Oh, yeah. You're good, you're good. That's cool.
I'm gonna get a combat shirt now. A Ranger
Yeah, I know.
green one. I have like a field shirt, Ranger green one. I was gonna wear it. I was like, fuck, it's gonna be 80.
You've been cooking in that shit, man. I'm already cooking in this shit too. It's like, oh god.
Dude, you got plates on too.
This fucking sucks. This hurts so much right now. Right.
Moving right.
Right.
Go
right.
around that way behind the bus and enter the side of the kill house. So we go down this side of the bus. No, this way. If I go this way, I can flank them. Like around, if I go around the bus, I can flank it. I'm going with it.
I gotta push left on us right there. So far clear. Wait. Back right. We gotta push. Wanna put a third too?
Yep.
Perfect.
Alright. You want?
Blue house.
You're going all the way far back. Huh?
Yeah, blue. Blue. No. There's that blue house though.
I'm gonna push up as far as I can.
Got it.
There's one far back left.
Yeah.
You want?
Quang, how are we looking?
It's clear over here.
Careful, there's a dude watching down that road.
Middle. Front's right there in front. How is looking to objective?
It looks clear. We got friendlies there.
You think we beeline to that bus?
Yeah.
I don't see any at
Quang!
46 all the way
Quang, we're going to beeline to bus, okay? Quang, cover.
down. Go for it.
Wait, let it build up.
Friendlies. Dude, that's fucking sick, man. That's fucking cool.
You got friendly spots here.
Got it.
Hold it.
Yeah, friendlies here. Oh, fucking shit.
Pushing that building. You blue?
He's blue. I don't see him, man.
Yeah, I'm seeing.
Fucking shit.
They got contact over here, I think.
What's up?
Is this your pistol mag?
No. Just bring it back to the thing and then we'll see.
Hey, straight down. Go quick. Straight down. Blue building. Little window.
Point security.
No malfunction.
Shit.
I'm up.
Loading. Up. Hey, Quake!
Yep.
They're pushing far left, I think.
Hey, get ready, right, I think.
Got it. Inside, outside. Inside. Got it. Left window. Left window.
He's chopping beauties.
Shit, dude. Got security.
Eli!
There was somebody.
Can we push up more, you think?
Huh?
Can we push up more?
Yeah, we could probably start pushing towards the objective.
Yeah.
There's no objective.
I think they said middle.
Yeah, we got guys, plenty of guys over there too.
Maybe we just start closing in this way.
Yeah. Well,
Oh, yeah.
we're kind of in on the right though.
Yeah.
So if only half us move over. Wanna go?
To there?
Oh no, we go push middle.
Okay.
We flank around, then go in.
46. There's still one in 46.
My bad.